go. Hey, and welcome to this series. So in this series, you'll be learning the front-end web development using tools such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So today, this is going to be the first video showing you how to set up your development environment to start writing some HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. So follow up the series to become a full stack developer from zero to hero. So if you don't have no experience, if you're a complete beginner, this series is for you. So let's dive into the video and set up our development environment for front-end web development. So first of all, you have to open up a web browser. Locate your web browser and open it up. Now, in your web browser, install something called Node.js. So you quickly navigate to nodejs.com, nodejs.org. Yeah, so this is what the web page looks like. When you visit the web page nodejs.com, this is what it looks like. So next, what you're going to download for your platform. If you're on Windows, download for Windows. If you're on Mac, download on Mac. For Linux, download for Linux. Then what you have to do is to download LTS because it's recommended for most users. This has latest features. Well, I recommend you download LTS. So quickly download that. I already have that installed, but you can quickly download that and follow up the instructions to set up your system. Then to check if it's done setting, you open up your command prompt and type in the command node v. I'm going to put it in the screen for you to see it. Type in the command node -v and click on enter. It's going to show you the version of VS Code you are using, the version of our node you are using. Yes, as simple as that. Then next, you need somewhere to write your code. You need a text editor or an IDE to write code. So popular is called VS Code. So your browser search for Visual Code download. You will see a link. You see the first link. Click on the first link. Then you will see to download for either your Mac or your Linux or your Windows. Then follow the necessary instructions. And after that is done, you should boot that up. After booting it up, it should look something like this. So it should look like this. So after this, you can create a folder and then you can start writing your HTML code. So to write your HTML code, you simply create a new file, name the file any name, like let's say home.html. Now make sure that it must end with a .html so that it will be recognized as a HTML document. So after doing that, you have opened your HTML file. Now to actually run your code on real time, I'll recommend you install an extension called Live Server. First shop, you click on it and install it. It's called Live Server. Basically, what it does is to reload your website as you make changes on it. So what Live Server does, it launches a development local server and it automatically reloads your website once you've done a change, you've made any change. To actually know if that is in play, after you finish installing Live Server, you will see Go Live here. You see something like called Go Live. Clicking on it, you go to open up your website. Then from there, you can start writing in your HTML code. From there, you can start writing in your HTML code. Now, if you want to learn HTML, learn HTML elements, attributes, links, CSS, images, what you have to do is to subscribe to this channel and follow up the playlist, follow up the series, because I'm going to be releasing new videos every single day teaching HTML and CSS until you are you're a complete pro from zero to hero. So thanks once again and see you next time.